Welcome. If you're looking to boost your Facebook page's reach and engagement, allowing others to share your page's stories when you mention them is a fantastic way to do it. With the latest Facebook update, the steps have changed a bit, so let's walk through exactly how to enable this feature on your PC. First, open your favorite browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in to the account that manages your page. Once you're on the main Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. If you have multiple pages, just click on the one you want to update. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main profile area. Now, look for the menu on the left side of the screen and find the Settings and Privacy option. Click on it, and then select Settings from the next menu. This will open up all the settings you can adjust for your page. Scroll down until you see the Stories section. This is where you can manage everything related to your page's stories. Click on Stories to open up the options. Here's the important part. Find the setting that says, Allow people to share your stories if you mention them. There will be a toggle switch next to it. If it's turned off, simply click to turn it on. Once enabled, anyone you mention in your stories will have the option to share those stories to their own audience, helping your content reach even more people. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've made it easier for your community to interact with your page and help your stories go further. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.